Hello! The purpose of this video is to demonstrate the new functionality within SurveyManager allowing for the use of formulas within reports. Formulas are available in reports at both the respondent and summary level, so they will work with respondent level reports, summary reports, and cross-tabulation reports. In order to use a formula, you must have numeric values within your survey. This means that you need to be using questions that allow numeric input or have an associated numeric value via the weighting function. For this demo, we're going to use a simple survey called Formula Sample Survey. As you can see, this survey has 5 questions. The first question is a matrix open-ended where all options have been set to a numeric response. The second option is a textual response single choice question where the responses have been valued in minutes. And the remaining questions are single line numeric response questions. We're now going to create a report on our survey. And you will now notice that when creating a report, there is a new option for Set Formula. Upon clicking Next, you'll be taken to the formula building screen. Of note on this screen are the options to view formula rules. This will show you all the rules and structures associated with formulas as well as the allowed operators. Additionally, you will have the option to get a question map. This is very useful for building your formulas as it will show you which questions are valid for use within the formulas, as well as the associated question number, for instance on a matrix question where even though it is question 1, the values are questions 1-1 through 1-5. Building a formula has 4 components. The first is the formula description. This will be displayed before the formula output. Next is the actual formula. You will then select the number of digits you wish displayed after the decimal point, as well as the output label, which will be displayed after the output value. We're now going to build a few simple formulas. As you can see, I've now built several formulas to calculate things such as flow rate in gallons per minute, total volume transferred, equipment downtime, and an additional formula to calculate equipment idle time for the week by taking the numbers of hours in the week and subtracting the equipment idle time and equipment uptime. I'm now going to save my last formula by clicking the Save Formula button. If you do notice any errors in your formula, such as one with a improper decimal option, like this one here, you can simply click Edit and change your formula and then hit Update Formula. If you do need to delete a formula, you can click the red X under the Action menu. Once you're happy with your formulas, you can hit Generate to generate the report. As you can see, the report looks much the same as it always has with the addition of a formula section at the bottom. You will notice that the formula values are output in the inverse order that they are displayed on the previous screen. This does reflect the order that they are entered. And you'll see that the values reflect each respondent because this is a respondent level report. When creating formulas within a summary report, the only additional requirement is that you use an aggregate function such as a sum, min, max, or average before creating a formula. This allows the system to know which data set you wish to work with and how to interpret it. This concludes our video on formulas within reports in the SurveyManager. Thank you very much and have a nice day.